I'm Teacher Eve and welcome to What Can I Teach channel. Alright, last time we were able to talk about counting forward and backward. So we start counting from 0 to 10 and 10 to 0, which is counting backward, right? So today, before we will start our class, our new topic, which is comparing numbers, which I have the signs here at the back. Yes. So before that, we will review first our counting forward and counting backward. So first, let's count forward. Let's count forward. Okay, ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now let's start counting backward from 10 to 0. Okay, ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so good job. Now let's start our new topic, which is comparing numbers. Now, if you're ready, let's start. All right, everybody, we are going to start now with our class, which is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Yeah, that's right. So we're going to compare the numbers if it is greater, if it is smaller, or if it is equal or not equal. Now, before we will start, let's learn first our sentence structure. So later on, you're going to encounter what is it, or what number is it? What number is it? And then you can answer it is. It is. Next one, we have, is it equal or not equal? Is it equal or not equal? You can answer it is equal or not equal. Next one, we have who has fewer or smaller, and then teacher is going to show you objects, okay? Now, who is referring to a person. So later on, you're gonna meet two girls, which is Mally and Ying. Okay, and then you are going to identify who has fewer and who has more or greater numbers of objects that I'm going to show you. Now, before that, we are going to learn some vocabs that we are going to encounter in this lesson. Now, first one, we have spoon. Everybody say spoon. Spoon. Second, fork. Fork. What is this one? This one first, what is it? It is a spoon. This one, it is a fork. Next, everybody say bird. Bird. What is it? It is a bird. It is a bird. Next, what is it? Tree. Everybody say tree. It is a tree. What is it? It is a tree. Next one, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is Mally. Her name is Mally. Yeah, and Mally is a girl. She is a girl. And we also have Ying. Ying is also a girl. Okay, so always remember the name Mally and Ying. Next one, we have, what is it? Everybody say mango. Yeah, it is a mango. It is a mango. And now we have to focus in these symbols or in this sign because this is what the center of our lesson. First one, we have equal. Everybody say equal. Equal. And the equal sign is, yeah, the same with this one, the green one in the background. Yeah, everybody say equal. Equal. So the sign of equal is double line. Next, not equal. Not equal or not the same. not equal, not the same. So it is like 2 and then 1. Next, we have greater than. Greater than. Greater is big, like a lot of numbers. Okay, more. Okay, so it's like greater than. So the sign, so if it's going to be like this, so the bigger number is going to be eaten by the big open. Yeah, so that one, the one with the arrow, should be the greater number. The big number should be in the big open. All right. Next one, we have smaller than. Smaller than. Small numbers. Small numbers. So smaller numbers should be pointed to the, yes, that's right, to the close one. Okay, so again, the bigger is the greater, the bigger open is the bigger, and the small or the close is the smaller. Smaller than or less than, it's the same. Fewer, smaller. Fewer, lesser, smaller. Next one. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. We are going to talk if it's equal or not equal. Equal, the same. Not equal, not the same. So first, let's try to count the objects on the screen. Ready? First is spoon. Let's count the spoon. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 spoons. Now let's count how many forks are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How many forks? There are 3 forks on the screen. So 3 is the same with the other one. So 3 spoons and 3 forks. So 3 is equal to 3. So yeah, the sign is equal. It is equal. It is the same. 3 is equal to 3. So yeah, that's right. The number of spoons is equal to the number of forks. Okay, next one. Is it equal or not equal still? Okay, now let's count how many birds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so there are 4 birds. There are 4 birds. And let's count how many trees are there. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 trees. Now 4 is not equal to 3. They are not the same. 4 is not the same with 3. 4 is not the same with 3. So they are not equal. Not equal. Look at the sign. Not equal. Next one. Yeah, so the number of birds is not equal to the number of trees. Yes. All right, so here is Mally. Let's count how many mangoes does Molly have, okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many mangoes? There are only 3 mangoes. Mally has 3 mangoes. Yes. And how about Ying? How many mangoes does Ying have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5 mangoes. So Ying has 5 mangoes. So a while ago, we have Mally. Mally has 3 mangoes. And Ying has 5 mangoes. The question is, who has the smaller mangoes? Or who has smaller numbers of mangoes? So who has fewer smaller mangoes? The answer is Mally. Mally has smaller or fewer mangoes because 3 is fewer or smaller than 5. So the symbol is like this. 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. So Mally has fewer mangoes than Ying. All right, and who has more or greater mangoes? Who has more or greater mangoes? Yeah, that's right. Is this Ying? Because Ying has 5. So 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. So therefore, Ying has more mangoes than Mally. So always remember the bigger mouth should eat the bigger number. All right. Okay, next, we have more examples here for greater than and smaller than, okay? Okay, let's count to trees here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many trees? Can you guess? Can you count it? 6 trees. Now, can you count the birds? 1, 2. There are 2 birds. So 6 is bigger or greater than 2. So the mouth or the open is going to eat number 6. Okay, so it's bigger. So it's bigger. So 6 is greater than 2. Another example, let's count the object. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 forks. Now, how many spoons are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? How many forks? We have 7 forks. So 4 is smaller or fewer than 7. 4 is smaller than 7. So the smaller close or the close one is facing number 4. Now, let's go on with our activity. It is activity time. All right, so you are going to tell me, or you have to choose the correct answer from the choices below. So equal, the symbol equal, not equal, smaller than, and greater than. All right, so let's try it out. Okay, try to guess if it's equal, not equal, greater than, or smaller than. So what's the answer for this? The answer is equal. Yeah, look at the sign. It's equal. Between 5 and 5, there is like that. It is called equal. How about this one? Yes, it's the same thing. It is equal. Yeah, all right. Next one. Oh, look at this sign. Is it equal or not equal? It is not equal. It is not equal. Next one. Oh, look at the symbol. Is it equal or not equal? It's not equal. How about this one? The close is facing to number 3, and number 3 is smaller. Just always remember, oh, what's the first number that you see if it is less or greater than the other number. So 3 is smaller than 5. So the answer is smaller than. Smaller than. Next one. Oh, it's number 4, number 2. What's the symbol between them? The symbol between them is greater than, because 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. Next one. Oh, this is very easy. 6 and 1. So the sign is, the big open is facing number 6 because 6 is greater than 1. It's greater than 1. And how about this one? I think it's the last example or the last question. So is it greater or lesser or smaller than that? So the answer for this one is smaller than, because 8 is smaller than number 9. All right, so thank you so much, boys and girls. Keep on watching the videos until you're familiarized with how you can do it. And also, please answer your worksheet that I'm going to send you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And I hope you learned a lot today. Goodbye.